Hey, my beautiful people! Welcome back to Sugar and Sunset. Today's look is all about that fresh-faced, no-makeup look that gives you healthy, glowing, flawless skin without looking cakey or overdone. This look is perfect for everyday wear and takes less than 10 minutes. Let me know in the comments which product was your favorite, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more affordable beauty content from Sugar and Sunset. Step 1. Prepping the skin. Skincare is key. Let's start with prep, because great makeup begins with great skincare. I'm using the Simple Kind to Skin Hydrating Light Moisturizer. It's lightweight, super gentle, and perfect for sensitive or acne-prone skin. It keeps the skin hydrated without being oily. Then, I follow it up with L'Oreal Revitalift 1.5% Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This plumps the skin instantly and gives that juicy, dewy base we all love. For sunscreen, I love the Le Shield SPF 40 Matte Sunscreen Gel. It gives a velvety matte finish and works beautifully under makeup. Always wear sunscreen, even for light makeup days. Priming for smooth texture. Next is primer. And since we want a smooth, blurred base without heavy layers, I'm using the Insight 3-in-1 Primer. It's affordable, silicone-based, and helps minimize pores and fine lines without clogging your skin. Step 3. Lightweight base, no foundation. Now for base makeup, no foundation today. Instead, I'm using the Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer, shade depending on your skin tone, only where needed. Under the eyes, around the nose, or on any blemishes. It blends like a dream and looks super natural. I warm it up with fingers for a seamless finish. For skin tint lovers, another great option is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter, or Sugar Drop the Base Serum Foundation if you want something ultra light. It gives just enough coverage and a radiant glow. Step 4. Setting the base. Set everything lightly using the Mars Trend Setting Compact Powder, only on the T-zone to keep the natural skin peeking through. Step 5. Blush for a natural flush. Next, I use a cream blush to bring back some life into the face. For clean and natural options, Earth Rhythm Lip and Cheek Tint or Love Earth Multipot are also great and can be used on lips and eyes too. And it blends beautifully and looks like a natural flush. Step 6. Brows and eyes. For brows, I go in with the Blue Heaven Brow Definer. Super easy, beginner-friendly, and keeps things soft and natural. Just shape and lightly fill. For the eyes, I curl the lashes and apply just one coat of Maybelline Sky High Mascara for long but fluttery lashes. No eyeshadow needed today. Step 7. Natural lips. To finish off, I'm using the Dot & Key Gloss Boss Lip Balm in Cherry Pop. It gives hydration, tint, and shine all in one. You can also try Etude House Dear Darling Tint for that natural bitten lip look.